The Universal Nature of Consciousness by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The universal nature of consciousness has long been a subject of enquiry, straddling the realms of both scientific investigation and spiritual contemplation. From a scientific perspective, consciousness is often examined through the lens of neurobiology and cognitive psychology, where it is posited as a product of complex neural processes and interactions within the brain. This view suggests that consciousness is not merely an abstract phenomenon, but rather an emergent property arising from the intricate workings of neural networks, thereby grounding it in empirical observation and measurable phenomena. Conversely, spiritual traditions frequently regard consciousness as a fundamental aspect of existence, transcending the physical confines of the brain and body. In this context, consciousness is perceived as a universal essence that connects all living beings, often described in terms of a collective consciousness or a shared spiritual awareness. Such perspectives emphasize the qualitative experiences of consciousness, suggesting that it encompasses dimensions beyond mere cognitive function, including intuition, emotional depth, and a sense of interconnectedness with the universe. The juxtaposition of these contrasting perspectives invites a nuanced exploration of consciousness, prompting critical questions about its origin, nature, and implications. While science seeks to delineate the mechanisms underlying conscious experience, spirituality endeavours to articulate the significance of consciousness within the broader tapestry of existence. Consequently, the dialogue between these two domains not only enriches our understanding of consciousness, but also highlights the profound complexities inherent in this universal phenomenon, suggesting that a comprehensive understanding may ultimately require a synthesis of both scientific and spiritual insights.